Let's take a look at how just-in-time is being used at the plant. Parts for assembly are being delivered in quantities needed and when it's needed. Electric carts carry the parts unloaded from the delivery trucks to the racks alongside the assembly lines. On the assembly line, when the first part is being used, the worker removes the Kanban card from the box. The Kanban are collected regularly and put in a Kanban post at each process. Collected Kanban cards are processed into a computer system. It then sends out replenishment requests to the parts manufacturers in the quantities needed and when it's needed. At the parts plants, Kanban are printed out for each truck shipment. The parts plant shipping personnel collect the parts boxes corresponding with the Kanban card. The parts plant produces the corresponding parts, as indicated on the Kanban. When the shipping personnel have gathered a full truckload of parts, a truck carries the parts to the vehicle assembly plant. The Kanban thus links Toyota plants with suppliers' plants, as well as linking the processes inside Toyota's plants, enabling just-in-time manufacturing.